Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at 12 Cypress Grove Lane, located in the community of Aberdeen in Ormond Beach, Florida. This is a 55 plus community. Walking up here, you have a nice covered carport, with a storage shed right here at the end. I'm gonna take a step inside. Right through the door here is your laundry room, equipped with a utility sink. Straight ahead here is your first bedroom. Pretty nice size. Nice size closet. Sliding doors. Across the hall here is your first bathroom. Nice countertops. Full-size tub. Back here is your master bedroom. Nice walk-in closet. Full length. And over here is your ensuite. Linen closet. Toilet. Walk-in shower. And back down the hall here. Dining room area. Straight to the kitchen. Nice stand-up cabinets, dishwasher, dinette set, your stove with a range. And here is your living room. Here's your sliding glass doors right out here to your screen porch. So come on down, check it out. It is 43 Cypress Grove Lane, located in the community of Aberdeen, 55 plus community.